Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something that is totally ridiculous, but I got the idea after I watched a 5-minute craft video the other day. When they ran out of red nail polish, they apparently used a bright red lipstick as a replacement for the nail polish. So this sort of got me a bit intrigued as to how well makeup products would really work for doing your nails. So I thought I'd give it a go at doing some nail art using makeup products. I did end up using Top Coat only because I didn't have anything else as a replacement, but other than that everything else is all completely makeup. So, jumping straight into it, I decided to give it a go with one of my darker lipsticks. I sort of tried to use makeup products I'm not too keen on, so I went in with my Revolution Rebel, of course. It's sort of like a deep burgundy, sort of purpley sort of colour. It's actually a really good lipstick, it's just not my colour. I was sort of hoping it'd be a lot more pigmented than what it was in the actual nail. So I thought, well, I'll just use it as sort of a sticky layer. So I went in with my MUA palette. It's got 15 shades called Force of Nature. I went in with shade number 8 and shade number 13. I accidentally managed to not film the part where I was adding the blue shadow. My bad. It didn't come out overly pigmented, so I put some top coat on and then went in with some more eyeshadow. I then went in with a very orangey shade, it's number 6 in the palette. I was sort of going for a sunsetty effect, sort of similar to the nail art I've done previously on this channel, if you want to check that out. I then went in with some more top coat again. I decided then to use a white sort of eyeliner lip pencil. It's sort of come in a pack of 12. I got them off Amazon. I think they're called M&M. I used this as the backing for the sun and then put yellow eyeshadow, the number 8 yellow eyeshadow again on top, just sort of make it more brighter than the rest of the nail. I then went in with the Revolution lipstick again and sort of fingerprinted that onto the top of the nail to sort of give like a deep sunset cloudy effect. And then I used number 14 in the palette to sort of give it that like sort of grey cloudy effect again. With a little bit of top coat and then went in with some more of the yellow eyeshadow to sort of make that sun a bit more pigmented. Then after that I went in with the blue pencil from my 12 pack that I got with the M&M set. I used that to sort of create some waves from the water of the sea. And then I went in with my MUA eyebrow pencil. Again, I don't particularly like this product, the pencil itself is a bit too thick. But I used this to sort of create some sort of lines underneath the clouds. Then after that I bought this really terrible eyeliner. It's like 99p from like Wish or Zoom or one of them websites. It feels absolutely terrible in the eyes, but I decided to use that for some little birds and a little sailing boat on the nail. Works quite well. I think it would have worked better if I'd actually used a better eyeliner, but I didn't want to use my good makeup products on this nail. But yeah, you know, I gave it a bit of top coat and I actually was quite surprised how well it turned out. It turned out really well. I wasn't expecting that at all. I think it looks okay considering it was all makeup products. I really didn't know what to use as sort of a top coat, so I just went with normal top coat. But other than that, it's all completely makeup items. I was going to try and put a bit more makeup on there, like some highlighter and that. But so yeah, really quick and simple video this one. I was just curious as to how well makeup products would actually work on nails. Not bad at all. The lipstick I did, I got from 5 Minutes Craft, didn't really play out so well with the lipstick I used. I don't think I have a bright red lipstick. I tend to go for nude lipsticks, so that was like the dark one I got. It's actually a really pigmented lipstick and it is a really nice formula. It's just not the colour for me. But that is the dark one I got and it didn't really work the way it did in the 5-minute craft video, so I don't know what sort of lipstick I got or whether it's just a completely fake video, but give it a go. And yeah, this is what I come up with. I'm pretty happy with the results actually, considering. I hope you guys are too. Obviously it's not the most practical of things. I wouldn't personally recommend doing your nails with makeup all the time, but you know, if the emergency arises, then go for it, I guess. It works. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Please leave me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you have any ideas for future videos, please let me know. Much love to you all, and I'll see you in the next one.